Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to Royally Slayed. I am Demetria Moore, a licensed cosmetologist, and I created this channel to talk about all things beauty, hair, nails, skin, and I also want to throw in fashion and fitness as well. So I know you clicked on this video because you're interested in seeing how I got this beautiful, shiny, defined finger coil. Well, stay tuned and I'll show you. Alright you guys, so I'm starting off freshly washed hair, and I'm just taking my water bottle and misting my hair a little bit just to ensure that it is very wet, because we want it dripping wet to ensure that we get the most defined curls. So I'm taking my Maui Moisture Coconut Curling Smoothie and evenly distributing it through my hair. I don't section it, but I do focus on the middle section since it is longer and more dense, and make sure I get enough product in that area. And then I just make sure it's rubbed in very well before I move on to the next step. So now I'm sectioning off my hair, and I take the Extreme Wet Line Gel. This is the blue one, but anyone will work. And I put it through my hair evenly with my fingers, kind of finger detangle it a little bit. And you want to make sure that you're applying enough product. You want it to coat it very evenly. So after I do that, I take my water bottle and kind of mist it a little bit, as you'll see in just a few minutes. There we go. I mist it just to help the product go through when I'm brushing it. And after I brush it with a dimming brush, I just take sections around my finger and coil them, as you see right here. So this is the process that I do throughout my whole head. So I am going to speed it up and let you guys enjoy it. Alright, so now it's time to move to the sides and the back of my head. I'm using some Influance styling foam, the firm hold one, and I'm applying it to the back and the sides of my hair, making sure I cover all of it, get it saturated with that product. And I'm going to take my brush also, as you'll see in just a few seconds. Taking my brush to brush it down. I don't lay it down with a scarf or a wrap strip, but you could if you wanted. So next is drying time. I usually just let my hair air dry, but for the sake of the video, I am using this bonnet dryer that I got from Sally's Beauty Supply a few years ago. And I think it took me maybe 45 minutes to an hour. It would have took less time if I would have turned the speed up a little bit. But yeah, just using this time to check on emails and listen to music, watch YouTube videos to help the time pass by. So now that my hair is dry, I am using this Instant Control Edge and Braid gel from Amazon, which is my favorite edge control. And I don't do anything fancy with my edges, just a little swoop, and I like to lay down the sides by my, well, I guess my sideburns, by my ears, and that is pretty much it. I don't do the little fancy swoops, not all the time, just sometimes when I'm feeling special. And then I'll take some more of the Influance foam and kind of help set the gel, but this gel is really so good that I don't have to do that. I just did it for the sake of the video. And then I'll take a wrap strip and let it lay down while I do my makeup. Now that I've completed my makeup, I have removed the wrap strip, and I'm just taking this dryer to help dry my roots because they were a little damp, but also to help give me a little bit of volume, because I do not pick my hair when I wear this style, only because picking creates more frizz. So I rather sacrifice the volume and have a style that lasts longer. So that's just a tip for anyone out there. So after I finish blow drying, I didn't do it long, maybe 5 minutes, I oil my scalp with this CB Smooth Edge Grow oil, and I massage it in really well, make sure I'm stimulating the blood flow to my scalp. And then lastly, I take this coconut oil weightless hydrating oil mist, and I was showing you guys how shiny my hair was prior to using this. That's why I love that combination of products. And that's all I do, you guys. And I can get about a week out of this style if I don't pick it. So I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you try it out. And please follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.